So hey guys, welcome to my next video. Today we're going to be playing vlad and niki 12 blocks about the next stage. So let's read the stuff. Hi, my name is Vlad. Today I will show you how fast I can drive my lorry. Whose bright idea was it to lock my lorry with all these locks? Oh my, the Michael Jackson right there. Where's your toy hammer? Okay, wait, do I break it? Yeah! I'm smart. Oh no. Oh no. What? 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 Oh no. Hey, how? Wait, how do I play this? Oh. Guys, I'm gonna risk it. Ah! Oh no. No! Oh my god. Guys, you can call me Abraham. I'm losing to this easy spit. Bro, I try my best. Guys, don't laugh at me, please. But you can call me a noob, bro. I'm actually a noob. One more. Yes! Finally! Oh! Oh wait, I can open the doors? Wait. Oh! That's the house! But why is it so small? Wait, what? Oh my god. Wait, what is this? What? Fuck off, 619. Look at that, doesn't work. But that's one of the codes at least. That. Yeah. This. Wait, I need the key. Okay, I got everything now with me. For stop the Hey, what? Hey. Hey, Niki. Hey, what? That's totally not me. 8239. Okay. 8239. Yes. First lock of the day. Red. What the? I opened the door. Where does the grape key go? Oh, with the tires. Why do I have balls? Hey, yo, that's Oops. Oh no. Oopsie. Boy, I hate these. Oh, these are the worst. Oopsie. Oops. Up. Oops. Yes. Oopsie. Yes. Guys, if I get this right, yes, guys, you have to subscribe right now because I got there. I mean, I kinda, what do I have to do? Wait, do I have to put these balls inside the, oh my god, why am I so what do I do? Oh, damn, boy. Bro, how do I work this game? Bro, I'm gonna take like 11 minutes to just get past one key. Oh, finally I figured out something. Oh, it's a mini game. Oh, I thought these were the key parts. Oh no, this is a swiping one. I suck at the ones that you have to like swipe. Easy. Ew. Okay, we are going easy. Yeah, got the blue key. Oh, I thought I had to hit that key. My life just ended for 1 second with Barry. Wait, do I use that for the dinosaur? Dinosaur. Yes. Yes. Guys, something just exploded in my house. I'm not sure you guys heard that, but something exploded so hard. Bro, the city is gone. I'm also gonna make a video on this, and I can't even still say that word, bro. I'm a baby, bro. Where does the blue key go? I'm blind. Hey, that's a gay color. I ain't touching that. I'm leaving. Okay, I'm just capping. Bruh. Yes. Yes. Yeah. I died for 1 second. Wait, I got the parts. But why does it take me 2 billion hours to just scroll? What? Oh. Niki. There you go. Here's the game one. Oh yeah. I might have. Oh wait, coconut. Coconut cake. There's some things that are super hidden, and I'm blind, and I forgot that key that was on the floor for like 1 billion hours. Electricity. Where's the code? Where's the goddamn code? Bro. It doesn't work. What do I lose? Hey, Vlad! Oh my god, guys, it's raining so hard. Guys, I'm gonna back when I figure out this code. Guys, I'm just gonna quit, bro. This is too hard. But guys, if you know where the black key and this code is, let me know. Okay? I mean, I know the black key is in this puzzle, but guys, tell me how the puzzle works and this passcode. I'm just too blind, but let's play the mini games until it's 10 minutes. Okay, never mind. But that's the end of this video. If you want more, smash the like button, subscribe, and see you guys later. Bye.